Dayton Motor Car Company produced cars in Dayton from 1905 to 1913, and then it became Maxwell, and then it became Chrysler. And then Chrysler sold off these 12 buildings and their property in 1929. And since then, they've sat abandoned. Well, for a while, a few people used them as warehouse. But other than that, they've just been a destination for photographers and homeless, and apparently arsonists. In late June 2018, 2 teens burnt one of the larger buildings to the ground. But there's some good news. They caught them. They pled guilty. We were there. We were there at a friend's wedding across the street. So, that lucky couple got some awesome pictures in front of a raging fire. And we got to witness it too. Let's go check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, share it on social media. Maybe someday I'll be able to upgrade to GoPro 7 with stabilization. There's a lot of activity up here. Oh, look at this. Must have been a piece of equipment sitting here. Look at the slide. Looks like there's one more floor. Let's go check it out.
So we've got kind of a dilemma. There's homeless people we can hear downstairs, and new homeless people that weren't there when we got there, and they sound pretty lively. So we're a little nervous about going downstairs and walking past them, but we're gonna hit the roof, and then you guys will get to see it all. That's where the elevator mechanism used to be, the big motor and everything. Another train going by. I think it's time that we head out. Chemical services. I can't believe this is just down here. There's a bunch of different chemicals too. Mineral oil. Some of them are still, they're all full. Yeah, they're all full. So we stumbled across these chemicals down in the basement of this place. 55-gallon drums. White mineral oil. It's flammable, but that's it. Then we've got, looks like a type of grease, petroleum grease. Emery 1740. God, if you needed some grease, that type. Mineral oil again. Let's see if there's anything different. Cow foam. Flammable liquid, combustible. Cow foam NEL 60. Miraquat 550. Another full 55-gallon drum. Polyquaternium. Yeah, some of these aren't filled with chemicals. There's a couple that are filled with empty jugs and scrap and stuff, but most of them are filled with chemicals, brand new, unopened. Load limit. Here's the top view, a little higher up of the elevator that collapsed. Look at that door getting blown in the wind. Looks like before the fire, people were living in here, but the fire provided easier access to the big building behind this one. So it seems like they've moved from this building to that building. That huge gear reducer. So that was the gear reduction. That was the pulley for the elevator. I don't know. It looks like it mounted there and hung out. Maybe the cables hung out underneath the elevator shaft. I'm not really sure because there's no hole in the ceiling. So I'm not sure where the cables would run. So if you know how that was mounted, you let me know. But that bolt pattern right there, it looks like it bolts up right there. So that would mean the drive would hang out this way, but there's no place for the cables to go. So who knows? Oh, with the elevator out of commission, there's no getting this forklift out. Looks like the main water came in. The wood's in good shape. Do you know other places like this one that are abandoned? Feel free to check us out at onceoccupied.com or onceoccupied@gmail.com, or you can always use Instagram and direct message us. Let us know. We could come to a neighborhood near you. So our homeless friend that we initially ran into right there has since left. We could hear a bunch of people down here talking, so until next time, be safe out there.